Hi everybody, and welcome back in another tutorial of knitting. Today we're going to see another way of another technique of casting on. The single cast on is not difficult. Now leave a little bit of yarn, the short part of the yarn, twice or 3 times the length you need. This depends on the needles or the yarn, the type of yarn. Now this is the part long of the yarn, and this is the part short. Keep the yarn with the left hand and the needle with the right hand. Now keep the long part of the yarn like this, and the short pass it around the finger, around the thumb finger. Insert the hook like this. Take the long part and pass it around the needle, and then pass the needle around through the loop. Yes, your first loop is made. The part long of the yarn around the thumb finger like this. Pass the short part of the yarn around the needle like this, and pass the needle through the loop. Here it is. It's very simple. Pass the yarn around the thumb finger like this. Insert the needle like this. The short part, pass the short part of the yarn around the needle, and then pass the needle through the loop and stretch. Again, pass the yarn around the thumb finger and the needle like this. The short part of the yarn around the needle like this, and then pass the needle through the loop. Here it is. Again, long part of the yarn around the thumb finger. Insert the needle like this and pass the yarn around the needle, and then pass the needle through the loop you have created with the thumb finger. Once more, pass the yarn around the thumb finger, insert the needle like this, take the short part of the yarn and pass it around the needle, and then pass the needle through the loop here and stretch. Last time, pass the yarn, the long part of the yarn around the thumb finger and insert the needle like this. Take the short part of the yarn and pass it around the needle, and then pass the needle through the loop. Here it is. It's very simple. Thanks for being with me. See you next time. Bye.